Today I am happy to tell you about my family tree. This is my dad. His name is Tun. He is a pilot. This is my mom. Her name is Sun. She is a business woman. And me, this is my Spider-Man. I am 10 years old. I am a pupil. I love my family. Thank you for listening.
Well done. Okay, come and sit down, please. Can you read the chant to me?
Yes. Shirley's shoes are red. Her t-shirt is blue. She's got a toy sheep and a toy fish too. The sheep is white. The fish is blue. Shirley wants to play with me and you.
Well done, that was excellent. Now, look at the family here. This is Rose's family, and this is Rose's mum. Who's this?
This is a Rosie grandpa.
Is this Rose's uncle?
Yes, he isn't.
Yes, he is.
Yes, he is.
Okay. Are these her shoes?
No, it isn't.
Ooh, are these his shorts?
Yes, he is.
Is this her dress?
Yes, she is.
Let's turn this over. Okay, now, where is Billy?
He is in the bedroom.
Good. Where is the juice? The juice.
The juice is on the table.
Excellent, well done.